Hi, everyone. My name is John Booker, and I'm a sales manager here at Sucuri, in charge of our front end sales and support team. Today, we're going to talk about how to use Sucuri's WordPress security plugin. At Sucuri, we believe in making the internet safe for everyone. One way we show this dedication is by maintaining a free security WordPress plugin. In this short video, we will explain how the WordPress security plugin works, from installation and features to what you can expect from our free monitoring and security plugin. Also, it's worth noting that using Sucuri's WordPress plugin does not require a paid Sucuri subscription. The WordPress security plugin is free to all WordPress users. It is a security suite meant to complement your existing security posture, offering its users a set of security features for their website. You get things like security activity auditing, file integrity monitoring, remote malware scanning, block list monitoring, effective security hardening, post-hack security actions, security notification, and website firewall, which is a premium service. So let's get started. Your first step will be to install WordPress security plugin to your site. The plugin is available from the official WordPress.org repository and can be installed and activated by WordPress users with admin privileges. To install the WordPress security plugin, from the WordPress dashboard, go to the repository plugins, add new on the left side of the dashboard, type in Sucuri in the repository search query box. At the upper side of all available plugins, you will see Sucuri logo and the title Sucuri Security Auditing, Malware Scanner, and Security Hardening. Just click Install, click Activate, and this will take you to an Install Plugin page. Once completed, you can access all features by clicking the Sucuri plugin option on the right side menu of your WordPress dashboard. The next step is to generate an API key. Activating the API key allows the WordPress account to connect to our servers. If an attacker somehow compromises your site and removes the plugin audit logs from your server, they can be recovered from our server for investigation. To generate an API key for the security plugin, you log into your WordPress website as an administrator and open the Sucuri plugin. Click Generate API Key to the upper right side of your screen. Check the terms and services and privacy boxes once you've read them. Click Submit, and email confirmation will be sent to your primary email with confirmation. The third step is to harden your WordPress. The Sucuri plugin is also packed with features to help you harden your WordPress site. These security hardening options are preventive measures to increase security in areas of your website that could become avenues for attack. This is done by adding a set of rules to your .ht access file and verifying secure configurations. You can enable features with the click of a button. To enable and disable security hardening in the WordPress security plugin, log into your WordPress dashboard. From the right side menu under the Sucuri plugin, go to Settings. Click to the top menu and select Hardening. Click Apply Hardening button to any of these security options. The hardening options are Website Firewall Protection, Verify WordPress version, Verify PHP version, Remove WordPress version, block PHP files in the upload directory, block PHP files in the WP content directory, block PHP files in the WP included directory, information leakage, default admin account, plugin, and theme editor. The next step is allow list files. Sometimes hardening requires testing. If you find that certain plugin themes are not working correctly after applying the hardening to WP includes, WP content, and or WP content/uploads, you can allow list files to fix it. To allow list files in the Sucuri WordPress security plugin, log into your WordPress admin account. Once on the WordPress dashboard, click on the Sucuri plugin. Then click on Settings. On the upper side of the screen, click on Hardening from your menu bar. Scroll down and see the Allow List Block PHP file section. Type the file path and select the directory to be allow listed from the drop-down window, then click Submit. For step 5, you'll want to set up email alerts. By default, the plugin will send email alerts to the primary admin account, the same account created during the installation of WordPress in your web server. You can add more people to the list and they will receive a copy of the same security alerts. You will receive daily scans, reports automatically to your default email used to set up your Sucuri WordPress plugin. Or you can choose to manually push a scan at any time. Furthermore, you can manage the types of alerts you receive from the plugin and allow trusted IP addresses so they do not generate alerts. Alert recipients, trusted IP addresses, alert subject, alerts per hour, password guessing, brute force attacks, security alerts, and post-type alerts. Step 6 is scanning for malware. The malware scanner is one of the most popular tools integrated in the Sucuri WordPress security plugin and makes it easy to scan your site for indicators of compromise. This free tool powered by Sucuri Site Check can help check for malware, block list status, website errors, out-of-date software, and security anomalies. One important caveat though, SiteCheck is a free website security scanner. Remote scanners have limited access and results are not guaranteed. It finds malicious code that is visible in the external code of your site. Your site could be hosting malware on a server that doesn't show up on the front end of the site. So if you're looking for a full server-side scan, get in touch with our team. Step 7, check your WordPress core integrity. The Sucuri WordPress plugin also comes with tools that check the integrity of the core WordPress files, PHP, JavaScript, CSS, and other files that come with the original WordPress version. Attackers modify core files to add backdoors, which are fragments of code that allow them to bypass the security measures. Removing all backdoors from the infected site is crucial to avoid reinfection. Identifying modified WordPress core files can alert you to backdoors and other indicators of compromise. For example, the Sucuri plugins will automatically check your WordPress files or alert you if it detects any of the files that have been added, modified, or removed. Added files. When a file is marked as added, it means that it's not found in the official WordPress archives, and at least not for the version number detected in your current website. Deleted files. When the file is marked as deleted, it means you are missing a core WordPress file. Modified files. When a file is marked as modified, it means the core file of the WordPress site does not match the official repository. Step 8 is post-hack assistance. If your website is hacked, you'll need to take immediate action to protect your visitors and prevent further damage. The Sucuri plugin is bundled with features to help you deal with the compromised website. Step 1, you'll want to reset security keys. This option generates new salts inside the wp-config PHP. Step 2, reset user passwords. Select users to which new random passwords will be created. Reset install plugins. In case plugins are infected, this allows you to reinstall them at the touch of a button. Available plugins and themes updates. Show all components of the site that can be, and typically should be, updated to patch security issues and known vulnerabilities. Step 9, Sucuri firewall integration. If you're a Sucuri customer who has activated the web application firewall, you can connect the Sucuri firewall to the WordPress plugin using the firewall or WAF option to the Sucuri plugin. The number of vulnerabilities exploited by attackers grows every day. Trying to keep up is challenging for administrators. Website firewalls were invented to provide a perimeter defense system around your website. Benefits of using a website firewall include prevent a future attack. By detecting and stopping known hacking methods, bad bots, and malicious behavior, a website firewall can keep your website protected against the infection in the first place. Virtual patching. Hackers quickly exploit vulnerabilities in plugins and themes, and unknown ones called 0 days are always emerging. A good website firewall can help you patch your holes in your website software even if you haven't applied security updates. Block brute force attacks. A website firewall can help prevent attackers from accessing your WP admin or your WP login page if they aren't supposed to be there, making sure that they can't use brute force automations to guess your password. Mitigating DDoS attacks. Distributed denial of service attacks attempt to overload your server or application resources. A website firewall can help detect and block DDoS attacks, ensuring that your site is available if you're attacked by high-volume fake visits. Performance optimization. Most WAFs will offer caching for faster global page speeds. This keeps your visitors happy and can help lower bounce rates while improving website engagement, conversions, and search engine rankings. And if you're looking for a solution, we offer all of these features with the Sucuri plugin. Well, that about wraps up our introduction to how to use a Sucuri WordPress plugin. I hope these steps have been very helpful. If you need a hand with the plugin, we'd be happy to help. Submit a ticket in the support forum. The links to the resources can be found below the video. Thanks for watching, and hit the like button and subscribe for more website videos and guides. Thank you.